Fifths, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Today is going to be mostly about baby D, as we are heading to our 22 weeks prego appointment. So you guys will be getting 22 weeks pregnancy update. I'm on my way. Tyler's at school. Baby's on his way to meet me at our doctor right now. So that's what's up, and that's where we're heading. I'm trying to get a good angle because of the sun, but town is so busy because carnival is going on in the center of town, so I'm not even going to approach up that side. But yeah, I'm heading to the doctor right now to see how baby girl is doing and get all the updates, and hopefully she's growing and doing well. So that's what's going on right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are loved and blessed and staying motivated and enjoying the rest of today's vlog. You guys will of course see babe at some point, and we'll see Tyler when I get back home. You guys, as I'm here waiting on baby because my husband stay late. He stay late. So let me show you baby D. That's the girl from the front, and that's her from the side. Funny story, the last time I wore this top I was pregnant with Tyler. I am gonna try and find that picture and take a picture in this one and put it side to side and show you a picture of me in this when I was pregnant with Tyler, and now it's crazy that I haven't worn this top in over how many years. Anyway, you guys, this doctor that I'm gonna see today, I won't be able to film in there, so I'll give you guys all the updates on your girl when I get out. Can you believe that your girl put on a little makeup today? Just a little something something on the face, nothing too much, nothing too cray cray. Babe, stay late. I have appointment at 3 o'clock and it's 10 minutes to 3 before 3 p.m. and that's late for me. If you're not 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes before your appointment, you're late for me, okay? Because your girl's never late. He think I'm crazy, but he's late. He's late, and he's gonna get this when he come here. Silent treatment.
Yo, my backbone.
You guys, look who doing pregnancy update with me today. I told them before you reach the doctor appointment that you were gonna get this.
This
is
more like this
because you're late. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get this?
Man, I was 2 minutes late when you know that the doctor is 30 minutes late, but she's still mad. She wants to reach 30 minutes before the appointment when she knows that the doctor is always at least 30 minutes late. But the doctor wasn't more than just like 20 minutes, 30 minutes late.
Did you get the face?
I always get the face. I'm late or not late. You always give me the face, so...
Really? You're going to call me out and let me look that bad on camera?
No, you're not bad. That's who you are. You shame on yourself?
No.
Alright, so you don't look bad. So you don't look bad.
So you have married the Grinch. You're going to get the Grinch for the rest of your life. You
force yourself. Sometimes she's happy, like she's like this, and she gives you that attitude. And then she turned her head and she smiled at herself. And she smiled at herself just after. You can see the fake things like, no, I'm gonna force to be mad at you. And then she turned.
Anyway, you guys,
Pregnancy update.
we're coming on to give you guys the rest of pregnancy update.
21, 22.
22 weeks.
22 weeks.
And baby girl is looking well.
Almost 1 pound.
Where are the papers that you got with the pictures? You started off so well and I cut you. Just carry them, come give me. I just want to show them a few shots. So baby girl is doing well. She's how much, babe?
Almost 1 pound.
Almost 1 pound. And how much centimeter long? Huh? 25 centimeter long.
She said 25?
Yeah.
Okay.
25. Yeah, she had calculated on her phone.
This times 7.
She had calculated.
36 times 7. 3 times 7 is 20. Yeah, okay.
So baby girl is 25 centimeters long, and this girl is frisky. She was just moving and waving and hand over the face, and she was doing well.
A foot in front of the head.
Yeah, and she's normal size.
Yeah,
she's normal size at the size that she's supposed to be at 22 weeks. So that's good.
You say normal, you say average?
Average.
No, everything is normal. Everything is there, like foot, fingers, like
fingers, then toes.
The heart,
and her
the
nose
kidney,
is exactly like Tyler's nose.
She baby nose.
Exactly like Tyler's nose.
She's not gonna born with a big nose.
Let me show you guys a few shots of the ultrasound, what she look like. So let me show you our princess. That's Princess D. There she is. Look at that cutie pie. Look at that face. Wait. Look at that. There she goes. Look at that nose. Y'all tell me if this is not Tyler's nose. This is Tyler's nose. Babe think I'm crazy. But I know what I'm seeing and I know what I'm... Look at her lips. Oh my God. That's Tyler's nose and that's definitely Tyler's lips. True, true, true. Let me show you guys better. Focus on something. Look. She have Tyler's nose and she have Tyler's lips. That's all I can say. Yep. Let me see if I find some more shots to show you guys. Look at her. Oh my God. Tell me if that's not Tyler. If that's not Tyler I'm looking at, then something's wrong. Look at that mouth. The cheek. The nose. That is Tyler all over again. I'm going to have Tyler twice. Alright. There she is. Yeah. So she's doing well. Heartbeat is normal. Everything, all her organs and everything is doing well and yada yada yada. Yeah, so that's about it. When it comes on to me, symptoms, I still can't do milk. Anything milky just make me feel terrible. I still have my mood swings. My mood is just, sometimes I step in the house and be like, honey, what's wrong? I'm like, nothing. I just don't want to talk. I just want to lay down. And yeah. I just want to meet
You have to be strong when you live with a pregnant woman. Give all the power to the man. You have to support her. That's the hard job.
Yeah, I still don't want any milk. Milk is not my friend.
You have to
I
try.
Still have appetite lost in terms of I still can't eat certain things, like red meat is still a no for me. Vegetables, I struggle to eat vegetables so bad. The pain in my breast from my last update is gone. I'm not feeling that anymore. But no, I haven't worked out in about a week and a half because I find that now that I'm in 22 weeks, I get tired easily in comparison to the past few weeks. So I'm gonna still try and get some little walk in on the treadmill, but I'm not gonna force myself. And if I'm tired, I'm not gonna do it. So if I see where I can get in a little 30 minutes, I'll get it in. But it's not gonna be on my agenda. It's not gonna be a must for the day. I'm not gonna force myself to do it, because priority right now for me is resting. And I realize that when I get my nap every day, I feel so much better. And some days I'll just feel like my body is shutting down, like it's telling me, Mel, you need to go and nap right now. So some days I tell babe that, look, okay, it's time, I just gotta go nap. So I'm getting really tired these days, so I have to kind of cut back on a lot of the things that I would want to do. So yeah, that's that. And my face starts breaking out a lot more now than usually. I'm having so much bumps on my face, and today was the first I put on a little bit of makeup for a long while. But yeah, what else do I need to tell you guys about this 22 weeks? Nothing special really. I'm doing well, so this update won't be too long because there's nothing much to tell you guys what's going on. Oh, the back pain is still real, and at nights I cannot sleep on my right side. Though it is said that you're not supposed to sleep on your right side, for me personally, literally when I go on my right side, I feel like my breath is going to stop. I can't breathe. I feel like I'm suffocating. I literally cannot sleep on my right side. So I kind of struggle with sleeping a bit because my left side is feeling the pressure of it all, and it hurts a lot. So sometimes I just have to go on my right side like for 5 minutes and stay awake, just to kind of give the left side a ease. But it's not easy sleeping at this moment. But I don't have to bother babe for massages, because my massage machine to my rescue any time of day. It does what if he's at work or he's home. You get it done. And I must say a big thanks to babe, because a lot of the time when I'm not feeling well, I just lay down and he gets it done. He look after Tyler.
I told you that the man is the harder job.
The man is the harder job when the man is around. But what happened to the women that are single parent and single mothers?
The man is not the harder job. There's no man.
Then can you imagine what she's going through? If I'm going through so much and I have you around as support, can you imagine the people that don't have anybody?
So much.
Honestly, I have to give babes a lot of props, because once he's home, if I want to do something, it's because I want to do it, not because he's just there. Even though a lot of the time I cuss him out.
But single parents are the harder job.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
And especially when they have more than one. Yeah, big respect.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. And babe, hold it down when I'm not feeling well. I have to give that to you.
I like when you say that. What is it?
You're an idiot. I don't always say that. I don't always say it.
90% of the time you're cursing.
Really, honey?
Yeah.
Why are you lying on camera?
I don't like.
Why are you lying on camera, honey?
But
anyway.
I live for this 10%, so that's fine. If it was always like this, I would just get used to.
He'll make me my... I am obsessed with eggs. I'm still obsessed with eggs. I can't get enough of eggs. Sometimes I'm scared that I'm eating too many eggs.
I was about to do some things and I just say, okay, don't do it in camera.
You're ridiculously stupid.
I was about to say, you like egg.
I like egg, and he's feeling the blunt of the egg, because trust me, when I'm ready to let go some gas, he have to run, like literally exit the entire house. Anyway, there goes the embarrassing factor. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna show you a side and a front shot of baby girl, and then that will do it for today. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up. And you guys haven't seen Tyler in today's video, but don't worry, you'll see your boy over on his channel tomorrow, because Tyler posts on Saturdays. Well, we don't post on Saturdays on our main channel. So you guys will see Tyler tomorrow, and you'll see Monday again in our daily vlogs. So I love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. But first, here's your girl. So that's baby girl front ways. I don't think you guys can see much from front ways. And then babe gonna show you the sideways shot of her, what my stomach looks like, maybe. So that's her.